It was raining that night, not the peaceful kind of rain, the kind that makes everything feel off. I was alone in my room, scrolling through my phone, trying to ignore the silence. That's when it happened. A message popped up, unknown number. I almost ignored it, but something told me not to, so I opened it. Don't go to sleep yet. I frowned, probably a wrong number. I typed back, who is this? 3 dots appeared instantly, like they were already waiting. You don't know me yet. A chill ran down my spine. I sat up. What do you mean? There was a pause, long enough to make me uncomfortable. Then, it's 11:42 p.m. for you right now. I glanced at my phone. 11:42 p.m. My fingers froze. How do you know that? No reply. Instead, another message came in. In 3 minutes, your power will go out. I almost laughed.